So yesterday, the Federal Reserve came out with their interest rate cut, and they spooked the market. And it was a pretty decent spook as well, because we managed to take advantage of this. The good thing was that our coloured coded trading systems here were already turning red. So let's dive into the charts and have a little look. But the funded account yesterday, when the Fed announced 18th December, that brought in realized profits of $1,638. That one, guys. Okay, so that's the funded account. That's the $250 funded account. The spread betting account performed better yesterday on the signals and the colours. So that one brought in £3,176. All right. So the spread betting account is great because it's all tax-free profits. But the funded account is in dollars, so profits are taxable. But the spread betting one here, $3,000 yesterday, really nice. 18th of the 12th December. All right. So this is the sort of thing we're doing. You know, it's. I just love to keep everything simple. I really do. Trying to complicate it just makes it harder for everyone. And it's things like this, like we're only looking for red shorts today. 20-point move, 40-point move, little stop out trade in the doldrums, by the way. I've done a video on when to trade and when not to trade. And then we get this afternoon session here, red short, another red short here. This is another like 50-point move to the downside, which is great. But why am I not buying the market? Why am I not buying these greens here? Well, it's because of our scoring system, isn't it? Remember the scoring system we did a while back? It's that we need 2 points to trade in that direction. Green for long, red for short on the pro trading system and tracks. So what colour is the German? I've got my Fibonacci work here. What colour is the DAX? Red. Yeah. That's 1 point. So that's down is red. What colour is the 4-hour time frame? Oh, look, it's red. Okay, so that's 2 points. What colour is the 5-minute? It's red on the afternoon move to the downside. It's as simple as that. All right, so here we're doing it. This is a live market as we're in here. It's red to the short side. All right, if you don't trade the German DAX, what about FX? Well, been trading short the British pound. So let's go and find that and type that one in. Now what colour, well not what colour, but what direction, either long or short, should I be trading the pound US dollar here? Well, the answer is you don't know, because I'm not showing the bigger time frame. But if I showed the bigger time frame, remember I need 2 points at least. So here's the bigger time frame. It's a 4-hour chart. Just draw trend lines as well to make it even more fancier. I can do to show that I'm a sophisticated trader from the city. Not, but anyway, what color is that? It's red. All right. Oh, look, I've drawn a box as well, but it's red. Okay, so if it's red, that means down. That's 1 point. And then 5-minute time frame, it's red here this morning, here, didn't get stopped out, and here, and here. Okay, so multiply the moves. So this move was 126.47, out on green here, 7 points, and then move here 640, all the way down here 607. So what, 33-point move, £10 a point, spread betting account, you do it £300 £300 profit. This one here, 604, get out around, pretty scalpy type trade. But even if you get out here, your gain is small and your loss is small. But it's just such a lovely trade on this pound US dollar. And I think the pound US dollar and the euro are getting ready for a really big move. We'll be talking about that another time. So just keeping it really simple, guys. Just making it simple, my trading. Life is hard enough as it is, isn't it? And just trying to keep it simple with the momentum system and indicators, pro trade system and tracks. And the real thing, I was always looking, we were always looking for shorts in the stock market indices because of the volatility index. Now, this is not a market I trade, but the volatility, we don't want to look at the 5 minute, the volatility index just tells us, is the market, are the stock indexes going to go higher or lower? Is volatility going to increase? And when this indicator or this index here, the volatility index, gets down to these lows, okay, I'm now looking for a buy signal, because that buy signal, and what color is the buy signal? It's green, isn't it, on the Pro Trend system and tracks. So when it started going green here several days ago, that was a warning sign the stock market was going to drop, because the VIX, as it goes up, okay, the stock market's increasing volatility. Volatility is normally when the stock markets are dropping or just starting to drop, moving into a move. When the VIX gets really high up here, it's the stock market is getting ready for a long, because volatility retracts and you get that retracement reversion back to the mean, and volatility comes back. Okay, when you're down here in this band, I look for a green on the PTS and tracks that are green, and then I look then for a sell signal in the stock market which is red. All right, people get it the wrong way round. People think that when the VIX is climbing higher up and is up here at a peak like this area here, that you should short the stock market. That is incorrect. You should be looking to short the stock market down in the zone here, because you're nice and early, you wait for your signal, and as the VIX starts to climb, volatility is increasing, stock markets are starting to roll over. And the VIX here now, volatility index, is, and we'll do a video on the VIX at some point, but the volatility index is just starting out. So we've still got plenty to climb here. We could certainly get extremely high up in the VIX, which means stock markets further down. But we're only going to trade the colours. We're not going to start to become the Wolf of Wall Street and think we can predict markets. All we're trying to do is just trade the system. All right. Now, for those of you that have got an ISA or a SIP, you could trade the VIX in that. I've just closed my half of my position down in my pension using the VIX. It's something we do here at Trading College. It's great. We have never lost money trading the VIX in our share dealing account. How about that? All right. When we just banked, I've just banked some very nice profits just buying this in a non-leverage account. You could do it in an ISA, pension, or share dealing account, whatever it is. All right. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hope you're enjoying the videos, and give us a thumbs up. Put some messages down there. Let us know in the comments section, and I'll speak to you soon.